So we're going to be making a potato battery. We're going to be using 4 potatoes. This is an explanation of how it works. So this is zinc, copper, zinc, copper, and then this is how we're going to connect it. We're going to have an alligator wire here that connects this one, copper to zinc, copper to zinc, copper to zinc, and the 2 end ones right here, we're going to have an alligator wire. We're going to have an LED right here. The zinc has to be connected to the shorter leg, and the copper has to be connected to the longer leg, and then I'll make it shine. So this is what we'll be needing. We'll be needing 4 potato halves or 4 potatoes. We'll be needing 4 zinc screws, 4 copper nails, an LED if you want a light one, but we are. So 5 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then do the same with everything else. It has to be zinc over here, copper over here, zinc, copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper. So we're going to take some of our wires, take one wire, connect it to the copper, connect it to the zinc. It has to be one side of the copper and one side of the zinc, or else it won't work. Take one side to the copper and one side to zinc. One side of copper, one side of zinc. And then here comes the weird part. So this one is one side of zinc, and then you leave it, take another one, and then take your LED, the wire connected to the copper. This is very important. You have to connect it to the zinc. The longer leg on this, on the LED. You might want to bend them apart a bit, because it's bad if they touch on the LED, because then it'll short circuit and then it won't work. And then the grand finale, take the other one and attach it on the other leg and close the lights. Now turn off the lights. You really need to turn off the lights or else you won't see it, because you'll see tiny blinks, but not a lot. It does work though, just like you see here.
With us.
Yeah. Before I attach these,
Because I don't know if it was really.
it just smells like potatoes. That's all I need.
Calvin, or
Wait, no, I'm not doing the LED yet. I'm just doing this.
So Kelvin, that thing right there is like the energy meter?
Yeah, it's a multimeter.
Okay.
Can everybody see this?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see it. Yes. Multimeter.
You just look at the needle, it will move.
And so this, if you want to measure it, then the red one has to go on the copper.
Oh, okay.
And then look at that red leg, whatever it's called.
The energy increases.
Where?
Energy increases.
It's moving. Yeah, because it's generating power.
Where? It's reacting to the power surge. And as soon as it dies out, it'll tell him.
Or the potatoes.
Who wants me to do the LED?
Me.
The potato.
Is not going to hurt you.
Only if it's
Okay.
potato, you eat it.
Right.
Actually, really
Now I
All right.
they won't eat it. Shove it in.
So,
They won't eat your finger. Potatoes are just.
da 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 da. So, does anybody have any other questions about how this works that Kelvin could answer?